From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Bradley's forecast.
All right, well, 1 for 2 weather-wise this weekend. Thankfully, some pretty nice weather out there today if you were out at the Scott Parade earlier this afternoon. Now, it's going to stay mild here over the next several days. Eventually, we do see rain chances returning, at least for the middle parts of the week. Cold front finally sweeps through on Thursday, and that's going to send in another round of winter-like temperatures for the end of the week and heading into the upcoming weekend, potentially warming right back up, though, into Mardi Gras Day itself, but we're going to have to see how the long-range pattern evolves with time, so stay tuned for that. But here is the current upper-level pattern, and the first upper-level low that was responsible for the cloud cover and morning showers yesterday, now off the East Coast. And again, in its wake, we did see drier, more comfortable weather filtering into Acadiana. Here's the next upper-level low taking shape out west that will continue to progress eastward here over the next couple of days. Now, the main energy with this one looks to kind of bypass us off to the north, but still it'll try to drag a frontal boundary through the area on Tuesday, but to no avail. It's going to kind of stall out off to our north, and as a result, it's going to keep mild temperatures in the forecast and a little bit of an unsettled pattern with some daily rain chances before finally, again, we see enough push in the upper levels to swing that front all the way through. Fair skies out there late tonight or late this evening, and that's the way it's going to go through the rest of the overnight period. Temperatures, we'll call it chilly to cold by tomorrow morning, upper 30s to lower 40s. So make sure you have those jackets and coats first thing in the morning. Maybe some patchy fog in spots as well, but any fog that develops will quickly burn off early tomorrow morning. And it's back to mostly sunny skies throughout our Monday, so nice start to the week. Notice temperatures, we'll call it seasonably warm, upper 60s, but I think most of us actually getting into the lower 70s tomorrow afternoon. Winds pretty light out of the west-southwest coming in at around 4 to 8 miles per hour. Clouds will continue to build into Tuesday, so it's going to be a milder start, mid-50s, and then a lot of cloud cover on our Tuesday. And here comes that front again, starts to push through the area, but kind of fizzles out as it's going to be moving through. Maybe a few showers Tuesday afternoon, but that would be about it. And temperatures again stay mild, low to mid-70s. And notice that front kind of stays off to our north, and with that, still some scattered showers and storms possible on Wednesday, with again temperatures remaining in the mid-70s. But finally, that front is going to push on through the rest of Acadiana as we head into Thursday. Showers and storms, a pretty good bet there. Probably going to be a low-wind threat for severe weather as well, so we'll have to keep an eye on that. But then thereafter, turning much nicer and cooler for the end of the week and heading into the upcoming weekend. Highs look to be back in the 50s Friday, Saturday, overnight lows in the 30s. But again, at least at this point, it looks like it's going to be short-lived as warmer temperatures return by the end of the weekend and heading into, again, Lundy and Mardi Gras there next Monday and Tuesday. So here we go, mid to upper 30s, northern portions of Acadiana tonight. I think most areas along the I-10 corridor, lower 40s, and pretty much a similar story across the coastal parishes. After that chilly start, again, we'll call it mild tomorrow afternoon, but still very comfortable. I think most of us sneak into the lower 70s for those high temperatures. So 41 your projected low tonight, again, at least here in Lafayette. Fair skies generally, maybe some patchy fog first thing tomorrow morning in spots, but again, any fog we see quickly burns off. Otherwise, mostly sunny to start the week. It's going to be a nice one out there. Maybe some high-level clouds from time to time. 71 your projected high, and here we go. Temperatures continuing to push well into the 70s Tuesday into Wednesday, again, with at least some daily rain chances at around 40%, but rain and storm chances peak on Thursday as, again, that cold front finally pushes through the area. And thereafter, again, mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies return Friday into the weekend. And we are going to be cooler there. Again, Friday, Saturday, high temperatures in the 50s, overnight lows back into the 30s. So winter kind of running out of time here, but it's not going away quietly.
I guess, depending on how you look at it, it's something to look forward to or not.
Yeah, winter lovers, get it in, because this is going to be the last of it here. And once we hit March, April, it's going to be pretty much over.
Amen to that. Well, thanks for that,
no problem.
Bradley.